Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite hairstyles to do. Okay, let's get on with it. It's just trying to get my hair out of my face and let's get to it. I do a braid down the side. Alright, that's not, look at that, that's not working out. Okay, take two. Anyway, take two. I want it to look cute, so. So it doesn't really matter when you get to that point. So what I do is I get a hair tie and I put it up together, all together. Into like this low bun thing. I really do not like that chunk there, but it's annoying anyway. And then I just get two pieces of hair. That's my completed look and hope you guys like it.